In this video, we will look at crypto leverage trading on Bybit and MEXC Global. What are the differences and which one is eventually better? We will go through all of these different categories. First of all, you can find the sign up links to both of these platforms down in the video description, and with these links, you will always get the best sign up bonus possible. Let's jump right into it. You can see the platforms both launched in 2018, so have quite a bit of experience, and there's no difference here. Also, speaking of the number of different markets, so how many different coins or trading pairs you can trade on here, you can see they both offer many different trading pairs, so there's no big difference here as well. Next up, let's check out the KYC limits. I divided them into without any verification, with an ID verification, and an additional proof of residence. As you can see, the limits on MEXC Global are much higher, so if it's important to you to trade anonymously and not having to provide too much personal information, I highly recommend you to check out MEXC Global for this case. Next up, let's check out the layout and features on these two platforms. Let's start off with Bybit. Bybit definitely has one of the best designs of the trading platform. There definitely isn't anything missing. Also, you get a wide range of possibilities to set conditional orders, limit market orders, set a leverage of up to 100x, and even a dedicated functionality for using trailing stops. You can quickly set your take profit and stop loss directly when opening a position, and you will see them visually directly in the chart. If you drag them up or down, it will change it directly. And you can also always see how much profit or loss will you make when that price will hit. Setting a trading stop is also really nice. Just say the price retracement that you want to set, and you will have a trading stop that follows the price once it moves. When closing your position, you can also choose how much, and you can directly see your profit that you will take. Next up, let's check out MEXC Global. Functionality wise, there's definitely nothing missing. When opening a position, you can directly set your take profit and stop loss and directly see how much profit or loss you will make. And if you change your leverage after that, you can directly see how it changes your profit and loss from your take profit and stop loss. When you open your position, as always, you can see down here all the information you need. You can see your take profit and stop loss here and also edit them at any time. And when closing your position, you can also choose how much percent you want to close and therefore take out only, for example, half of your position out. I personally really enjoy both of these layouts. They've even gotten a bit more modern lately, so I give both of them a 5-star rating. Next, let's check out the order fees that you always have to pay when opening and closing a position. First, we have the maker fee that you have to pay when using a limit order. You can see on Bybit we have a 0.02% fee for that, and on MEXC Global it's actually 0% fee, so no fee at all for using limit orders, which is actually incredible. Next up, we have the taker fee that you always have to pay when using a market order. On Bybit we would have to pay a 0.055% fee, and on MEXC Global it's only 0.01%. So also here it's more than 5 times cheaper, and in general I can say, even though sometimes the fees can change a bit on MEXC Global, maybe it can go to 0.02%, but still the fees on MEXC Global are by far the lowest fees on any crypto leverage trading exchange. So if you're trading higher volumes and fees are important to you, definitely check out MEXC Global. Let's also check out the withdrawal fees. I simply made a simple Bitcoin withdrawal here. On Bybit I had to pay 0.00055 Bitcoin for a fee, and on MEXC Global only 0.0002 Bitcoin, so actually around about half the price I would have to pay on Bybit. Of course, you can also withdraw using different networks. For example, on the Tron network, you would only have to pay $1 as a fee on both of these platforms. But as you can see, for a Bitcoin withdrawal, you are much cheaper on MEXC Global as well. Lastly, I also have a special sign-up bonus for you. On Bybit, you can get up to $30,000 of welcome bonuses, and on MEXC Global, up to $1,000 of bonuses. You can find the links to both of these platforms down in the video description. If you're not yet sure which one you prefer, I recommend you to just sign up on both of these, maybe play around with the demo trading feature, and then decide which one you prefer. If you need a tutorial about the demo trading or just general tutorials on these platforms, you can find these videos on my channel, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.